How to send audio file on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Now launch it. You will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation where you want to send the audio file. Once you open the conversation, now at the bottom you're going to find this message box, and at the right corner of it you'll find this audio icon. If you just want to record the audio right now and send it, you can click on this icon. Click on OK. Now I can record the audio and send it. But in the case you want to send the audio file, click on this plus icon. Different options will appear. Click on the option of document. Select the option where your audio is located. Choose from files or choose from photo or video. Now I can select your audio file and you can send it. Well, this is how you can easily send audio file on WhatsApp. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.